2017 Honda Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, power passenger seat, power driver's seat, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, power door locks, power brakes, security system, clock, power windows, side airbag, bed liner. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.